Good morning. 6 o'clock in the morning. Day 18 of our summer Eurotrip from Bulgaria to Portugal. Today we woke up very early at 5:30. For us it's something unusual, but we decided to try driving this way early in the morning, not to be driving when it's very hot, and I can say it's quite hard. I slept very bad in the night because I knew that I need to wake up early. But actually, this night was really a relief from the heat that was 2 last days. It's still, you can see maybe some quite strong wind, and in the night it was even stronger. And actually, it made kind of a natural air conditioner for our Neo, and it was really nice. So we are driving to the next spot. And like this, we are getting rid of grey water. It's used water in shower and kitchen.
Ciao, ciao. It was a pleasure. Thank you for everything.
It's like we are flying above all this beautiful bay. Morning. The ships.
Ships and boats. Village life. One day we will do it. Kalimera.
And other creatures on the road.
Oh, she's so big. Oh my god. Beautiful.
More goats. These are goats. Hello. Kalimera. And again, Google Maps took us to some village with very narrow streets. We went out of this village successfully. And we came back to see the sea. And now we are going down to another place on the beach. Stop for breakfast. Here we are eating our breakfast.
Cheers.
Tired. Finally, we came to this place. It was quite challenging to find this parking, but we managed. And today dinner is inside of Neo because there's wind outside. But look what Gil prepared.
The chef.
Chef, wow.
Chef
What
Gil.
is this? Looks like Minnie is going to enjoy it too. Minnie, are you waiting for the chicken? Yay! We are finishing day 18 of our summer Eurotrip, and it was quite challenging day because we woke up very early. The idea was great to drive when it's not too hot, and most of the way we succeeded to do it. We had a very beautiful way, one of the most beautiful that we had by far. But it still took us time till we made groceries, stopped for lunch, for brunch, and till we get to the place, it was already hot and we were very tired. And I just spent this day just trying to recover more myself. There are days like this. It's fine. Tomorrow we are moving forward. Good night.